Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is 2nd of November. It's 3:15 a.m. We are starting from our hotel in Delhi, the Rama Deluxe with Karol Bagh, and the target for today we have set it as Surat. And if we manage to reach Vadodara on time, we would stay there. Else we'll try to push till Surat for today. So it is going to be a long journey today. We'll be on the road for at least 19 hours if it is Surat, and if it is Vadodara for 17 hours. So that's it from Delhi. See you soon in the next stage. 5:50 a.m. and we have reached Rajasthan, the outskirts of Kotputli, and stopped for a tea break, and they have put this thing for heating us up. Good. Very small fire they have lit up. So the time is 7 a.m. We are on the outskirts of Jaipur. We'll be crossing Jaipur towards Surat. It's been a decent drive till now. We have a very cold day so far. Temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. And however, it had reached about 9 degrees Celsius a few minutes back. Maybe I think about half an hour back, it was at 9 degrees. Now it's pretty decent at 15 degrees. And we are yet to have our breakfast. We'll be stopping for our breakfast on the way somewhere in the outskirts. So it's 11:30 a.m. We are in the heart of, basically going in the middle of Rajasthan, going through the middle of Rajasthan. Initial plan was to go to Surat via Jaipur, Udaipur, Vadodara. But now we have made a slight change in the plan, and we might be heading towards Ahmedabad, because we have taken the Pali route, and this route goes close to Ahmedabad. So maybe we might take a pit stop there tonight in Ahmedabad, and then tomorrow we'll start from there. But anyways, that plan is not decided. It all depends upon what time we reach Ahmedabad and what we have over there to do. So that's update right now. We are going at a decent speed. There's not much traffic. The roads are pretty good in Rajasthan so far. And yeah, I think we'll be entering Gujarat in about 3 to 4 hours time. We need to figure out where to stop for lunch, and apart from that we don't have much things to do today. It's going to be a good day of which we'll be entirely on the road. By the way, Pali is about 54 kilometers right now for us, and yeah, it's going to be a road journey entirely for the day. And again, we haven't decided what needs to be done in Ahmedabad, and if we get some time, maybe we might even go to Gir Forest, but yeah, that's not decided as of now. Let's see what plan comes to the mind. As of now, there are no plans. Totally open we are when it comes to plan. Just wherever we are seeing good roads, we're just driving through that road without even having a plan. So let's see how it goes. I still have a week's time to come back home. And if we are going at this speed, I'll be reaching home in another 3 days time. So I still have about 4 days time. 4 days extra additional with me. Today is Monday, so I have time till Sunday to reach Kerala. So still have a little bit of time. So don't know what needs to be done. Either we might go home early, or we are thinking to spend a couple more days on the road, go visiting a couple more places, and then heading towards home. So the plan is open. We'll decide about it in some time, maybe in an hour or two. We'll decide about that. That's it for now. So we actually stopped at this Namaste India Midway restaurant, and they have brought a new concept. See, lots of handicrafts and all is there in this restaurant, which is there for sale. and then you have the tables over here. So there they have some handicrafts. Here also they have some handicrafts, clothing and all. So we stopped for lunch and ordered Rajasthani special koba roti and Jaipuri dum aloo along with some curd rice. Taste actually very good. Actually tasted the dum aloo sometime back. This koba roti is good. Though it is little thick, it breaks pretty easily. I like taste. So we stopped for lunch in the middle of nowhere in a place called Midway Namaste India restaurant. It's located at a place called Atkara in Rajasthan. The food was good, very good. Especially the curd rice was very creamy, and we ordered Rajasthani type of roti and dum aloo. Both were excellent, and masala and chaach, that is also good. Yeah, so now that the lunch is over, we'll be heading towards our next destination, which is going to be Surat, and most likely we'll be reaching post midnight. So as of now, we need to search for a room over there near the shopping area. Obviously we're going there for shopping, and then that's it. Just hit the road and try to reach as soon as possible. The time is 3:30 p.m. We have crossed Rajasthan and entered Gujarat. We are still about 400 odd kilometers away from Surat. We want to give the car for a wash because it's very dirty from outside because of the construction that was happening in Himachal, and till now we couldn't find time to do that. So now we'll be searching for a water wash station somewhere on the road, give the car for service. And then the petrol prices in Gujarat is a little cheaper compared to Rajasthan, so we need to fill up the tank and then proceed further. So yeah, that's update so far. We'll keep you posted. So we reached Gujarat, and we thought we'll give the vehicle a wash because it is looking very dirty. We are given in this small water wash station which we saw on the road. So another half an hour will be lost here, but doesn't matter. Anyways, we are going to reach post midnight, so we might as well go clean, right? It's looking very dirty because of the cement and all from the road construction that was happening in Himachal. So the car is almost ready, neat and clean after washing. It took about 20 minutes time for us. We are crossing Ahmedabad. We are in the outskirts of Ahmedabad on our way to Surat. The time is 7:40. I think we still have about 230-240 kilometers to cover, and I think the expected time of arrival at Surat is going to be 1 or 1:30 in the night. Anyways, it doesn't matter because tomorrow we'll be waking up late because the target is only Mumbai, which is hardly 200 odd kilometers from 200 or 300 kilometers from Surat. We actually came to this food court called Jagdish Food Court, which is in Vadodara on the highway. There's lots and lots of varieties of the soft drinks and snacks and all. So dinner is going to be pretty light today, just sandwich and coffee. And so quite amazed actually to see so many varieties of snacks. See how beautiful it looks.